That's now you want to come left, Sean. Driver side. Driver side.
There you go.
Left side. I think you want to come up more. That's the same line?
Yep.
Okay.
Looks good.
Easy.
Whoa.
Oh, shit.
You'll drop. Easy though. Easy. He's coming down. There you go. You got plenty here. Hang on. Go ahead. I'll do it over there.
Just go that way a little bit. That's good. Can you go past the driver now? Go driver if you can.
Come down.
You'll be real close to the rocker there. You're down. Good. You're down. Got him, Brian. Brian's got you. Whoa.
Straight, lingering on the line right there.
You're good.
Slow. Easy.
Right on.
Little driver. Good.
Perfect.
Good. Right through. Slow.
Slow.
Right, I got it. Just roll it down. Just slow. Got it. Go driver some.
Oh,
That's right where you were.
shit.
Yep.
Yeah,
Tires
you're
looking nice.
okay. You're not gonna roll. You're good. Maybe.
Yep. There it is.
Slow. Keep it slow.
Oh yeah.
That is like freaking close.
Yeah, you were rubbing the sidewall on your tire.
Well,
That's the same way.